You think learning Arabic is hard? I'm so sorry to tell you this, but I have bad news for you. You're just learning in the wrong way. Hello, my name is Ahmed, and I'm not saying this just because I'm a native Arabic speaker. I'm saying this because over the past 7 years, I've helped more than 500 students to learn Arabic and speak it naturally. Personally, I started this journey with them from day one. I've seen them struggling with the Arabic letter pronunciation from ha to ayn to ghain to kha, and today they speak Arabic just like natives. So when I tell you that Arabic isn't as hard as it seems, I say that from my real experience, not just words. And because learning any language is not only about the language itself, it's about having the right plan, the right guidance, and the right tutor. Someone who makes the lessons fun, easy, and simple, so you can stay committed, consistent, and actually enjoy the journey. If you are ready to start your Arabic journey today, or if you simply want to explore how learning Arabic with me looks like, then feel free to book your free trial class now.